This song is called Back Up and Push. It has 3 parts. I'm going to play the whole thing together kind of slow, and then it'll break it down each part so you can better understand it. Alright, so that was the whole song. Now we're going to break it into individual parts. So the first part, or the A part, goes like this. That's the first part. Second part goes like this. That's the B part. It's pretty easy, but now we get into the C part. And the whole thing is what's called hokum bowing. So it's like this. It's the rhythm of this. Well, it's like back and forth. I don't know how to explain it, but that's this. So it's 2 then 1. So a good way to practice this, you can just do it on the lower strings. Like do G and D, and then go over to A. That's a good way to practice it. So once you have that down, you can do it on the upper strings too. Remember, it's just it's that type of rhythm. So now we're gonna do the actual notes. So the whole part is the first part is it's gonna be that chord. It's gonna be 1 on G, your 2 on your D, and you're gonna bar it, what we call. So your 2 on D and also a 2 on A. So you're gonna get that chord. So when you apply the hokum bowing to it, it's that's the first chord. We can just start like this, but it actually goes. So once you master then we'll add the notes later, but we'll first get the chords. The second chord is going to be, so open G, 1 on D, and then a C chord, your 2 on A, same rhythm. Well, so far we have, and then the next chord is going to be, these 2 are going to be on the upper string. So it's 2 on the lower, then 2 on the top. So open D, 1 on A, 2 on E. And then it's going to be like the same first chord, but on the bottom string. So 1 on D, 2 on A. And then you're going to bar it. So 2 on E. So you're going to get, so not playing it very well, but that's how it's played. So once we have all those chords, we'll put them together. that's that. Once you have that rhythm, we can add the actual note. So it's gonna, so like on the first chord, for example, it's gonna go. And what I'm doing there, I'm holding down everything, but I'm just lifting third on the D string. So that's for the first chord. For the second chord, same thing actually. Just you remove your 1 from the G. Remember, 1 on D, 2 on A. On the upper strings. And then the final chord. On this one, well, you could go. So we're going to do the whole thing again, slow. So when you have this all together, the actual third part it plays it one time through, and the second time it changes a little bit. So what I did there, that's common. It's on the last chord of the first time around. That's a common phrase use. So we're going to go back to the beginning, second part through, or second time through. And on the second time, we just resolve it or turn around. So this is I'll play the whole third part. Alright, once you have all through these parts, I would recommend going back to the beginning. So you can play with the slow part, and now I'm going to play a fast part for you. If eventually you practice it enough, you get it up to this speed. This is usually what it's played at, but I'll probably play it even faster, so here you go.